Hey, let's be real for a second. Making money online isn't as easy as some people make it sound, right? Maybe you've tried a few things, or maybe you don't even know where to start. I've been there and I get it. But today, I want to talk about something that's actually working for thousands of people glitchy.ai. And no, this isn't one of those get-rich-quick scams. This is about learning real skills and applying them in a way that can actually change your life. So, what's Glitchy? In simple terms, it's a platform that teaches you how to do affiliate marketing. If you've never heard of that, it's basically promoting products online and earning a commission when people buy through your link. It's not rocket science, but it is about learning how to do it the right way. And that's exactly where Glitchy comes in. It's built to guide you step by step, whether you're a complete beginner or someone with a little experience but looking to level up. Here's why I like Glitchy. First, it's completely free to start. You don't need to pay for fancy courses or tools. They give you all the training you need to get going, and the best part, it's not just about the money, it's about joining a community of people who are figuring this out together. When you sign up, you get access to step-by-step guides, videos, and even one-on-one mentorship. They teach you everything from how to pick products to promote to strategies for getting people to actually click your links. And if you ever feel stuck, there's a whole community there to help you out. I know this might sound a little intimidating, especially if you're starting from zero, but trust me, I started there too. Glitchy is built for people like us, people who just want an honest way to make money online without all the fluff. This isn't about becoming a millionaire overnight. It's about building something that gives you freedom to spend more time with your family, to work from wherever you want, or to finally leave that job you hate. Look, you're not going to know if this is right for you unless you give it a shot. It's free to sign up, so there's literally nothing to lose. Click the link below, join the Glitchy community, and see what's possible when you take that first step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the Glitchy community.